New 2026 Mitsubishi Pajero vs 2026 Toyota Fortuner Next Generation Legendary SUV Comparison. Here is a detailed, fact-based comparison of the new 2026 Mitsubishi Pajero vs 2026 Toyota Fortuner Next Generation, focusing on design, powertrain, technology, off-road ability, and positioning. All claims are based on current reports, leaks, and credible automotive sources. 2026 Mitsubishi Pajero vs 2026 Toyota Fortuner. Legendary SUV Comparison. Platform and Design Philosophy. Mitsubishi Pajero 2026. The legendary Pajero is officially returning in late 2026 as a full-size premium off-road SUV, built on the latest Triton ladder-frame platform. Mitsubishi aims to position it above Pajero Sport, targeting rivals like Toyota Land Cruiser, Prado, and Ford Everest. It focuses on rugged capability plus electrified powertrains. Toyota Fortuner 2026. The new Fortuner remains on Toyota's IMV ladder-frame platform, but gets a major redesign. More premium styling and technology upgrades. It continues to target mid-size rugged SUV buyers, sitting below the Land Cruiser Prado. Powertrain and performance. Mitsubishi Pajero 2026. 2.4L twin-turbo diesel, almost equals 150 kW/470 Nm. 8-speed automatic transmission. Plug-in hybrid PHEV version planned. Super Select 2 full-time 4WD system. Towing capacity, 3.5 tons. Mitsubishi is also preparing electrified variants, making Pajero more future-proof. Toyota Fortuner 2026. 2.8L diesel plus 48V mild hybrid system. 2.4L petrol hybrid variant. 8-speed automatic gearbox. Part-time 4WD system. Estimated towing, 3.5 tons. Fortuner focuses on efficiency plus torque improvement, rather than full electrification. Interior and technology. Mitsubishi Pajero 2026. Premium sporty interior. 12.1-inch rear roof monitor. 8-inch digital instrument display. Dual-zone climate control. Advanced infotainment with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Mitsubishi emphasizes luxury plus adventure usability. Toyota Fortuner 2026. Fully digital cockpit. Large freestanding touchscreen. Toyota Safety Sense 3 ADAS. Panoramic camera system. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Fortuner takes a big leap forward in cabin tech and safety. Off-road capability. Mitsubishi Pajero 2026. Super Select 2 full-time 4WD. Multiple terrain modes. Designed for extreme off-road and desert performance. Mitsubishi is reviving Pajero's legendary Dakar Rally DNA. Toyota Fortuner 2026. Part-time 4WD. Multi-terrain modes. Improved suspension tuning. Still excellent off-road, but less hardcore than Pajero. Verdict: which one is better? Choose Mitsubishi Pajero 2026 if you want hardcore off-road performance. Full-time 4WD. Plug-in hybrid future readiness. Legendary Dakar bred capability. Choose Toyota Fortuner 2026 if you want proven reliability, modern technology and safety, lower ownership cost, strong resale value. Final take. The 2026 Mitsubishi Pajero returns as a true flagship adventure SUV, targeting serious off-road enthusiasts and premium buyers. The 2026 Toyota Fortuner evolves into a high-tech, efficient family SUV, balancing comfort, performance, and reliability. Pajero equals ultimate off-road legend. Fortuner equals best all-round rugged luxury SUV. Fuel economy and efficiency. Toyota Fortuner 2026. Diesel mild hybrid, almost equals 15 kilometers per liter. Petrol hybrid, almost equals 14 kilometers per liter. Lower fuel costs due to 48V hybrid system. Mitsubishi Pajero 2026. Diesel, almost equals 13 kilometers per liter. Plug-in hybrid, almost equals 40 kilometers EV mode range. Significantly lower fuel cost for daily commuting. Maintenance and ownership cost, Indonesia context. Toyota Fortuner, cheaper long-term. Massive dealer network. Cheap spare parts. Proven durability. Very strong resale market. Mitsubishi Pajero, higher ownership cost. Higher service cost. More expensive spare parts. Hybrid system adds complexity. Based on Pajero Sport and hybrid SUV servicing averages in Indonesia. Resale value and depreciation. Toyota Fortuner, resale king. 3-year resale, almost equals 85-90%. 5-year resale, almost equals 75-80%. Extremely strong used car demand. Mitsubishi Pajero, moderate resale. 3-year resale, almost equals 78-82%. 5-year resale, almost equals 65-72%. Hybrid resale still uncertain in Indonesia. Final verdict, which one is best for you? Choose 2026 Toyota Fortuner if you want low maintenance cost. You want high resale value. You need reliable daily plus family SUV. You prefer modern tech plus safety. You want stress-free ownership. Best choice for families, long-term owners, resale-focused buyers. Choose 2026 Mitsubishi Pajero if you want ultimate off-road performance. You want full-time 4WD. You want plug-in hybrid technology. You want flagship SUV prestige. You travel to remote/extreme terrain. Best choice for adventurers, overlanders, premium SUV buyers. Final conclusion. Toyota Fortuner 2026 equals smart money choice. Mitsubishi Pajero 2026 equals dream adventure SUV. If you want logical ownership plus daily usability, Fortuner wins. If you want legendary off-road plus flagship feel, Pajero dominates.